daddy, my daddy.
My mama, my mama.
Where's the other? Where's the other medication?
It's my mama.
My mama.
I don't know.
Ah, come on.
This is what we have to deal with at night.
My mama. My mama, again.
My mama. Again, my mama.
My mama, no, dear.
Close your mouth. That's scary. Nobody wants to see your mouth. No more monkey chopper on the back. No more monkey chopper on the back. No more monkey chopper on the back. Ah! No more monkey chopper on the back. No more monkey chopper on the back. No more monkey chopper on the No more monkey jumping on the bed. No more monkey. No more monkey. You're gonna wait. You're supposed to wait till I see it a few more times. No more monkey jumping on. What?
You sit down there.
Oh. Auntie Carla. No more monkey jumping on my back. No more monkey jumping on my back. No more monkey jumping on my back. No more monkey jumping. Oh, she's. Okay, no more. That's enough. That's enough. No more jumping. No more jumping. Okay? Oh, she's not gonna listen. Oops. It's not nice. Let me see your teeth. Let me see your teeth. Oh my God, you have nice teeth, huh? No cavities.
Mama.
Oh, oh, she's coughing. Oh. Auntie Kai, what are you doing over there? Auntie Kai!
What are you doing?
Auntie Kyla! Oh.
Sleeping. I got them sleeping.
Ouch! Ouch! Oh my God! Ah, no biting! Ay, no biting, it's not nice. Ay. You're like an animal. Yeah, you're an animal. You're like a dinosaur. You want dinosaur eggs?
Huh?
Tyranno. How about itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout? Oh, Tyranno. Oh, that's not nice. Daddy's not gonna videotape that. Oh, I think what happened? Why are you on the floor? Huh? Wanna put a movie on the TV? Where's the remote? Find it. Can you get the remote? Put a TV movie on. Maybe it's in the drawer. That's too small. You're too big. You can't. What's it going? The couch is too big, too small for her now. She can't sleep on it. Oh, kissing daddy. Oh, I love. Oh, that's a burp. Oh, that's a burp. Oh, that's a burp. Oh no. How about over there on the table? Maybe it's over there on the table. Oh my God, this kid. She wants to go to the dentist so bad. Find it?
Yeah.
No? Oh, it's tapping. Oh! Oh my God! Find it?
No.
How about over there at the table? I'm looking for the remote. We can't operate the TV without the remote. I don't know where the nanny put the remote. You find it? Okay, ready? Go. Hi guys, welcome. Okay, hold on. Come on, ready? Go. Okay, just say it. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, no. Mommy's sleeping. She don't know that Mama's sick. She's sick. Leonard's very sick today.
Huh?
What happened to the internet? This is what we're dealing with.
No, okay, on my egg. My egg.
Yes. Oh, it's back on. It's back on.
Yes,
Back
your
on.
theory is fun. But now we're going to tell you the truth.
So everybody's sick today. Thea has a very bad cough.
Awful.
And
Mama, tummy.
Lynn, I don't know what's wrong with her. She has
Awful tummy.
body aches and some chills. And so I gave her some Biogesic, and so she's sleeping now.
Congratulations.
You pick it.
She likes to pick. She likes to pick your scars. Ouch! I hurt my hand here, so she wants to pick my scab. She's a picker. You're a picker? You like to pick? Oh, hey, picky, picky, picky. You picky, 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 picky. What are we watching, Wolfo? You watching Wolfo?
No, but
It's low bat.
dog. That dog.
So guys, say a prayer for Lynn. She's sick. Hopefully she'll feel better later today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
It's easy for you because you just have that a little.